Hey everybody! So today is Saturday and I'm so excited because on the weekend we always have our farmers markets out here in Las Vegas, and it's especially exciting because I'm going out this time to find a specific type of fruit, which is peaches. One of my subscribers, John, asked me if I would make a recipe involving peaches. I'm excited because I love me some peaches, especially in the summertime, because you know in the winter it's hard to find them and we don't do none of that canned stuff around here, not with no peaches. So I'm really excited about going and pick up some peaches. I'm going to pick up a few other items for some future recipes, so be sure to subscribe and so that you don't miss out on those. However, today is the day for the farmers market, so we're going to go pick up some peaches and I'll catch you on the other side. See you in a minute. It was such a beautiful day outside, so I was so excited because my son and his wife decided to join me and take me to the farmer's market, and of course my grandson had to come because he loves cooking and he loves watching his grandma cook. This farmer's market is in Las Vegas and it's located on Eastern and the 215. It's called Fresh 52 Market. So if you're ever in Las Vegas, come on down and check them out. They're open on Saturdays between 8 and 12 o'clock. This farmer's market is amazing. It has so many different vendors down there, from the hummus to homegrown mushrooms, cold pressed juices, and delicious pastries. I mean, I really enjoy this farmer's market. I go down here every week when I can and just pick up so many different items and get lots of ideas on things to make. I also really love picking up fresh herbs, and some of these local herbs that were produced fresh and dried outside where the sun hits really amps up the flavor of your dishes. So I suggest to pick those up as well. I picked up a few, so I'll be looking forward to the new recipes that I'll be coming out with these delicious and amazing herbs. So I finally headed over to the Fresh 52 cart where they have all the fresh produce, and they have some amazing produce, guys. Watermelons and squash blossoms and cucumbers and peppers, and I picked up some of those figs. So I love eating some fresh figs in my salads. So delicious, guys. And the flower girl was so cute and amazing, and she had some beautiful flowers on her table. And guys, I really suggest that you support your local farmers market. They work really hard to bring us fresh, delicious produce to our tables. And all you have to do is Google if you want to find out where the local farmers market are in your town. It's super easy, but it's a great way to support them. I was so excited. I got to try out a new fruit that I haven't tried before. It's called a Ramaton or Rumaton. I don't know what it's called, but if you know what it's called, comment below and let me know what this fuzzy little fruit is called. It was sweet and it kind of tastes like a little bit like a grape, but sweeter with a different texture, and it has this big seed inside of it, but it was so tasty, guys. Let me know if you tried these before. So finally, I found the peaches I was looking for, and they look fantastic. So I'm going to grab a few of these and we'll head over to the kitchen and get started. So for this recipe, I started off with 6 peaches, and what I did was peel each peach, and after I peeled the peaches, I cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Pieces. So to make it easier, I generally just cut the peach off of the pit that's inside so that you don't have to really fuss with that. So grab yourself a saucepan and put it on the burner and add your peaches on medium heat. I also add to the pot some coconut sugar, a little bit of that brown rice syrup, some cinnamon, and I also tossed in some vegan butter. Give that a good stir and let it sit on medium until it comes to a boil. And once it comes to a good simmering boil, we're going to reduce that heat on to about medium low. Add a little cornstarch and give it a good stir. And be sure to stir it pretty fast because it will try to clump up on you, but don't worry, either way it'll simmer itself out. And then place it in a bowl to allow it to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes or till it get completely cool. So to make this recipe easy, I decided to buy some puff pastry, and you can find that in your local supermarket. With the puff pastry, take it out for about 5 minutes, but don't let it get completely cool. It needs to be a little bit frozen because you want that puff to happen when you put it in the oven. I cut it into threes. I kept it folded, cut it into threes, and then I unfolded it so we can get 9 squares. Then grab a sharp knife and cut and separate them. So don't handle the puff pastry too much with warm hands because it'll start melting and you don't want the pastry to melt. Place your pastry on a lined baking sheet and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. So you'll know that your pastry is done when they're golden brown, puffy, and real flaky. All right, it's time to plate. And there you have it, our easy peach cobbler. I'd like to give a shout out and a thanks to John for giving me this amazing idea to make the peach cobbler. And if you like this recipe, definitely give it a thumbs up and comment below if you're going to make this recipe. You can also find this recipe on our website, rosathe.sweetchef.com. All right, my friends, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.